Sound effects are crucial when it comes to editing. And since we live in an AI era, 11 Labs made it easy for us. Not only we can generate AI voiceovers using hundreds of human-like voices, now we can also generate sound effects. Yesterday, I received an email telling me that I got early access to sound effects. If you don't have it, don't worry. You will have this feature in the next few days. In the meanwhile, watch this video to get an idea on what it's going to look like. Go to 11 Labs, then Sound Effects. Describe your sound effect, then click Generate. I went to CapCut to get some ideas on some popular sound effects. First one I tried is the audience laughter. This generation took a few seconds, maybe like 40 seconds, and they gave me 5 generations. Let's hear them. Very cool. It sounds very real. The second sound I generated is the click sound. This one took like 10 seconds to generate, so it differs from sound to sound and how long your prompt is. Also, each character is 1 token, and the space between words also takes 1 token. It sounds very decent. By the way, the link is in the description if you want to try 11 Labs. It's an affiliate link, so I get a small commission if you buy a plan without any additional cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Another generation I tried is typing on a keyboard. This sounds like an old keyboard, not like the new ones that have a cool sound while typing. But in my opinion, this is decent. Let me know what you think in the comments. I tried one of the most popular sound effects, the whoosh, and it was not good. I tried the beep one that content creators use to cover some type of language, and it didn't give me the popular sound that we all know. As you can hear, the CapCut sound effect is the one I'm talking about. Another sound I tried is the cartoon-like running. It was decent, but it could get better. Remember that this is just the beginning. I trust 11 Labs to make it the best sound effects generator ever. Another sound that it was perfected is the sound of a baby crying. In my videos, I show you different niches, and now with these cool sound effects, you can take your editing to the next level. Make sure to check out my other videos on how to make videos in the most popular niches using AI. See you there.